1,000 subscriber special, but you guys screwed that up. We have over 6,100 subscribers. That's insane. So what I'm gonna be doing here today is going back to the place that really started it all, the place that got me into this hobby. And hope you guys enjoy. And one thing real quick, guys, I made a bunch of playlists last night. Check them out. I have a little bit of categorization going on. I can barely even say that. Alright, so here we are. We're already at the track in a blink of a snap or a blink of an eye. We have Tom out here with us. So what the heck are you doing, Tom?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't know? Half the time I don't know either. Well, I actually got this head strap thing, so I'm going to put this on. We're going to see, hopefully it won't look that stupid. Nice. Alright, so we're actually going to fly with Tom. He's doing some flips and stunts out there. Alright. Whoa, you see that bird try to catch it?
Whoa, see that bird try to catch it?
Oh, I missed it. I was looking over here.
I think we should play some tag.
Yeah, right.
It'd be really expensive though. Woo! I could give you a real quick haircut. I'm gonna do some. Woo! Triple. Triple. What's coming for a landing? Woo! Nice.
Now, what size is this?
I think it's a 250.
Yeah, this is only 150.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit smaller. Front flip, back flip. Left and right barrel roll. Woo!
Whoa.
Oh, no we're not.
What happened?
Something's smoking. I don't know. That sucks. Ooh, it's real hot. This thing's short-circuited. Well, we're done here. I'm running 4-cell and 5-cell. I'm also running a genuine Castle Big Block, so it's 1650 kV. It's a 1717. It's a huge motor. And we're doing a Mamba Monster 2. And it's just a Gen Z 4-cell. So we're running 5S, 18.5 volts. We're gonna see what we can do. And Tom left, yet to go. unfortunately. It's one way to hit yourself in the face with 100 rocks. Woo! See what we can do on the track. Oh, apparently it is covered by sand. This car just keeps on going. This was my first speed run spot back in the day. 3-4 years ago. Hope you guys could see that. It's kind of in the sun a little bit. It's a pretty nice open place to really run. Let's hit the drift. Oh, that was close. This is the car that really took my hobby and made it more than what I started out with. You know, I absolutely love being here. I'm very thankful I'm able to enjoy it. So, and I do appreciate you guys watching, every single one of you. You know, I never knew that I could share the experiences that I have and actually make them into, you know, pretty nice videos. Well, being here in Florida, the car actually outdid me. I'm gonna go back. It's pretty hot and humid. I appreciate you watching. 6,100 subscribers. More than I can ask for already. I'm already more than thankful. Guys, I appreciate it very much. Have a good one.